Hello, dear all. Welcome to our next lesson. Today we are going to talk about angles. Let us start our lesson. So, what is angle? Last time when we started geometry, we talked about point and we talked about some part of line, ray. What is ray? Ray is a part of line where we know where it starts, but we don't know where it goes. Okay, now by using one point and two rays, we can form geometrical figure that is called angle. Let us see. This is one of the rays. And this is another of the rays. And this is our point. Like we have one point that is called vertex and two rays that are called arms. So this geometrical figure is called angle. Angle is not a shape. Why it is not a shape? We will talk about it in our next lessons. For now, we know that angle is a geometrical figure that consists of one vertex and two arms. Okay, let us look at the mathematical term turn or turning. Let us see what does it mean. Okay, I will draw again two rays. This is one of my rays and another ray. I can turn, as you see, I'm turning it. Okay, so this is called degree of angle. Like turn is degree of angle. And this is how I turn my ray around another ray. And here I formed some degree. What is degree? As you know, kilometer is a unit that we use in length. Hour is a unit that we use in measuring time. Kilogram we use in measuring mass. And degree we use in measuring angle. Okay, now let us see some types of angles, some types of turnings. So now we will look at types of angles. The first type of angle is called acute angle. Acute angle, the turning between 0 and 90. So sometimes we say that it is less than 90 degrees. The second type is called right angle. It is not between 2 degrees. It is exactly 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. If you remember, in our last lesson, we talked about perpendicular lines. You see two rays here, they are perpendicular to each other. And when two rays are perpendicular, the degree between them is 90 degrees. Okay, the third type of angle is called obtuse angle. Okay, obtuse angle is between, as you see, it is more than 90 degrees, but it is not straight now, so it is less than 180 degrees. So it is more than 90 degrees. Let me mention this. So it is very important, ladies and gentlemen, it's very important to show, to define which turning we mean. I will tell about it some seconds later why. And so this is less than 180 degrees. Okay, the fourth type of angle is called straight angle. So the rays, the arms here, they are opposite to each other and the turning is 180 degrees. It's exactly 180 degrees. The fifth type of angle is called reflex. It's a little bit tricky type. Why? Because as you see, for first, second, third, and fourth types, we have exact picture of turnings. But here, for reflex angle, I will draw three pictures. Look. I will draw a picture of acute angle. I will draw a picture of obtuse angle. And I will draw a picture of right angle. But if you don't see any defining of turn, we cannot say that this is acute, this is obtuse, and this is right. If I mention the outside, like the part, like this part, so these parts are called reflex turning. In reflex turning, this is more than 180 degrees, and this is less than 360 degrees. And the sixth type of angle is called revolution. What is revolution? It is called full turn. Like one of the angles and another angle I will draw here. And this is full turn, that's called 360 degrees. Okay, so acute angle, that is less than 90 degrees. Right angle, that is perpendicular, and this is called right angle. Obtuse angle, it's between 90 and 180. Straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. Reflex angle between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. And a full turn revolution, its official name, and that is 360 degrees. Okay, now I want to talk about protractor. What is protractor? I will explain its aim, but in our next lesson, we will learn how to use protractor. Protractor, this is a tool to measure degree of angle. Okay, so like, what is ruler? It is a tool for measuring lengths. What is scale? It's a tool for measuring mass. What is clock? It's a tool for measuring time. And protractor is a tool to measure degree of angle. Okay, today we learn about vertex, we learn about arm, and we understand what is angle. We search the term turn, and we learn the types of angles like acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, and revolution. And we'll learn about what is protractor, and as I mentioned before, how to use protractor. We will learn about it in our next lesson. And also we will learn about types of angles. Okay, dear all, thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching, for taking active part in our videos, sharing it with your friends. I'm so happy to have you here. Don't hesitate to ask your questions. I will be happy to